Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check whether your PC is ARM or AMD type. It's very easy, so let's get started. First, go to Windows Settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows plus I keys on your keyboard. Once the Windows Settings window opens, click on System in the left sidebar. Now, scroll all the way down and click on About. Here, under Device Specifications, you'll find an option called System Type. This section shows whether your computer is running a 64-bit operating system and a 64-bit processor. If you see x64-based listed here, it means your system is an AMD type, and it supports 64-bit applications. Many modern processors, including AMD processors, are 64-bit, which is ideal for better performance and compatibility with newer software. And if you see ARM64 or AArch64, then your PC is ARM type. And that's how you can easily check the type of your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.